Afternoon. This is our daily speaking episode, and as for our daily upload commitment, we told that we will upload minimum 3 minutes video, speaking video, and outside the box speaking video in our YouTube channel for making fluency and for making our fluent speaking. And as far as I can remember, I forgot upload daily speaking episode last 2 days, and sorry for that. I'm extremely sorry. And from today I'm making this video, and I committed to you I will upload a minimum 3 minutes video in this YouTube channel along with this Facebook page, and both Facebook page and YouTube channel is same name like BCS Study. And according to our channel previous video or previous history, this is not English speaking channel along with speaking practicing channel, but I observed that and I calculated that I have no enough time to making video on mathematics and scientific science or other things, any subject, because I am busy in my daily life along with my job, my family and so on. Whatever, finally I thought that I can make a raw video every day, and I can upload in this channel. In that point I thought that I have to make a video, and in this reason I am making this video. So come to the point. Today is almost first of the February, and last of the Magh in Bengali. And as far as Bangladeshi condition, it had too cold or freezing cold, but right now it's not like that type weather. And I think this year winter will not come that strategy or that weather like under 10 temperature, under 10 degree centigrade temperature. And but right now Bangladeshi people are going through a hot temperature, warm temperature for a particular election in 13th parliament election. And next 12th February is our 13th parliament election. And in this election will be a election of our people. I forgot the word but Probashi I am telling in Bengali, but right now I can't remember the word. And this government or this election will be election for our Probashi as well as our immigrant, not type immigrant, it has a good word, but no more I can't remember it. Anyway, I think it's not our idea only, it has a real real analysis, like I saw a news today morning, and which one published by Prothom Alo Digital and Prothom Alo Online. And as far as I can remember, there are 93 plus parliament or consultancy area in Bangladesh, and they have 5,000 plus foreign voter in this election. And 18 plus constituency area has 10,000 plus foreign voter right now. And particularly in Feni 3, and as far as I can remember, my name would be Dagun Bhaiya or so on, and parliament member candidate is, I think, Abdullah Mintu, and that constituency area has 16,000 plus foreign vote, and if they recover this vote, they have to recover 16,000 plus vote at first. Then they will recover the vote and they will win the election. That's why this election would be hard, very very hard. I'm not telling those votes are recovered by Jamaat and so on, but like that I just show example. It would be Jamaat, when Jamaat will get low vote rather than their competitive party, they have to recover 16,000 plus vote, because those votes recovered by BNP. So I think this election will not as usual election. This election will be very hard, very very hard in the next February election. Thank you so much for watching.